had to cut my anchor free. So here's my inflatable kayak.
Everyone, it's been a long minute since I created a long form video here on YouTube. For all my subscribers, thank you very much for subscribing. But you know, I've been pushing out shorts, and it's just easier, and with the limited time I have, that's what I've been doing lately. So I'm planning to do a long form video here, and I think once a month I'll knock out a long form video. It's just because I plan to go camping once a month. So I just pulled up to the campsite. I'm waiting for my older brother to get here so we can set up. We're predicted to get some strong storms tonight, so I wanted to discuss with him our plan on like shelter and stuff, just in case it starts hailing and whatnot. But anyways, I got fishing poles. I'm gonna go down to here to the bank and fish real quick, see what I can catch. Got a little Texas rig set up. I got more poles in the car, but I don't want to bring them out just yet. Ah, oh, dang it. I was definitely caught up on something. I heard my pole snap too when I didn't snap. Almost broke my pole. It's not cool. This is the campsite we got. All right, I think I'm gonna go ahead and start airing up my kayak. It takes a minute to get it all nice and aired up. So while I'm waiting for my brother, I'm just gonna do that. It does take a minute, so. So I had to stop airing this up because I saw my brother pulling up, and I kind of want to film him real quick. It'd be funny. Here he comes right there. The man, the myth, the legend. He got his kayak in the back. Yeah. Ready to get on the water?
Go, let's do this.
Before we go kayaking, we're gonna set up a tarp with the ridge line to show people this is our spot. Something like that, I don't know. All right, so my brother had a ratchet strap. We got some storms tonight, and so we're gonna make sure this is fully tight for those winds. It's not the proper way to do this crap, but here we are. Is that good enough? That's solid. Ain't going nowhere. Let's do this one first. That one? We'll have to see about our tents. They should fit, right? Are we going this way? Or like how we did last time?
Don't matter to me.
All right, we're about to hit the waters on the kayak. I'm gonna show you what my kayak looks like, my setup. I'll show you my brother's, and then we'll be on the water. So here's my inflatable kayak. I was fortunate enough to get this kayak for free, and I tried to do my best to make it a fishing kayak. These are the original air up seats, and I bought this at Walmart, $24, and it fits nicely in there. And I also made a kayak trolley system. See, you pull it. Then I also have my anchor set up in here. I got 4 fishing rod holders. What you working with, huh? what you working with? Let me see what you got.
Hold on, I gotta fix this. Okay, I gotta turn this around.
He bought all this extra like attachments.
There we go.
And how much you buy this kayak for?
Bought this kayak for $50.
He bought it for $50. That's not bad to get out on the water. And this will be actually his first time fishing on the kayak too.
Got my fishing license yesterday.
All right, guys, we will see you on the water. All right, there he goes, and he's off.
No leak.
Now it's my turn. I gotta put my crate in my kayak and go meet him. I'm on the kayak, guys. Now I gotta catch up to my brother, then do some fishing. All right, guys, it's anchor time. I'm about to test out my anchor, see if it works, then jump in the water and go pee. So, all right, I got the attached to the trolley system. Let some line out real quick. All right, line's out, toss that in there. And here's the anchor. It's hard to film with one hand, guys, sorry. All right, ready? Okay. It stopped. Now I just make sure it stopped and just throw it out there.
What?
It broke. I had to cut my anchor free. We could not break it off. I had that little safety mechanism on. You might have seen online where they tied the zip tie up top where if you got stuck, it breaks off, but it might have broken off and it was just completely stuck. For the lights. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna eat. I'm hungry. I have a sub sandwich right here. All right, we docked off. We found a little spot, a little edge area. Oh my hair. I'm going to fish off this little cliff area. Got nothing on it. You need to put a soft plastic on it.
I thought that was.
No.
Hold on.
All right, guys, we are done. We are off the water.
We had to cut the water experience short because our dad had sent us a screenshot of where the storm's at, and it's roughly 30 to 40 minutes away. So we had to come back. So we had enough time to set up my tent, which mine's not set up yet, and make the tarp a little bit stronger. So that's where we are right now. So we're about to go do that. All right, we got a fire going. It may be put out with the storms coming because it got dark pretty fast. This is the final setup. Before you comment on anything, we know it looks ghetto, but we're not for the looks. We're just trying to be ready. So we got this blocked off because the storm's moving from south to north, and we're predicting the rain to come in this way. So hopefully that will do. His tent, my brother's tent, my tent, and this is our little hangout area. This is his chair, my chair. This is where when nightfall comes, it's where we come hang out at. We got some lights that we're gonna hang up, put out here and stuff. So there it is. What's on the menu tonight?
Burgers, bacon burgers, bacon and cheese.
Oh yeah.
And I'm gonna go ahead and just put the bag in here. Like that.
It's the same burgers as the last one, right?
Yeah, the exact same ones, but I am just like that. Light that up here in a minute. Shit, come over here. I'm putting actually go-to blend.
All right. Let's see how that goes.
So we're gonna try that out. See what that's all about. It's our bacon. And then got those bad boys right there. And then obviously chips and don't forget this. Geiger Bush's beans.
We are night fishing right now. Sorry, I have my headlight on. All right, guys. So the storms are rolling in. I have my light set up. We are underneath the tarp. We're ready for it. All right, guys, it's morning time. We made it through the night. It did end up raining around 6 in the morning, but I was too tired. I slept through it all. But right now, we're about to do some teardowns and head home. There's another storm rolling through, and I don't want to be caught up in it right now. The teardown is done. We are all packed up, ready to go, besides this little stuff on the table. But once a month. I'm trying to do long form videos. So I'm trying to get out and camp and do all that good stuff. So subscribe if you want to. You don't have to. But anyways, I'll catch you next time. Peace. Bye.